Hi students, good morning all of you and welcome back our online class Maths 6th standard. Students, today we are going to continue our the 4th chapter. Okay, so in previous video already we have studied about that what is the angles. Yes, angles means it is the part which one the having the combination of the two rays and which are two rays having the initial point are the same. The initial points are the same. Okay, so that is called as angles. And generally that two rays are called as arm of the angles and that initial point is called as a vertex of the angles. But students, today we are going to discuss about that what is the interior and exterior of the angles. Angle, what is that interior, what are the exterior, that parts about it we will discuss. Okay, so let us see. Here students, I have written that here interior and exterior of an angle. How can we identify which one is interior, which one is exterior? Interior means what? Inside the angle. Did you understand? Interior means inside the angles. What is that exterior? Outside of the angles. That means two arms inside, if that points will come out, we will find out that we can say it is the interior. The points are belongs to interior. If the points are outside of that two rays, that is called as exterior points. Okay, if the points are on the ray, on the arms, that is called as on the arms point only. Okay, so you should see that by the diagrams you can understand. So an angle divides the three region into three parts. Divide the regions into three parts. That means angles divide the region. What are the total regions are divided into three parts. Observe here, one is interior, exterior and on it. So here you in this diagram you can identify students. So many points I have written. Which one interior, which one exterior you should identify. Suppose students, I written here one point P and here T. One point, this point name is T, this point name is P. So what you should say about this? These points are interior or exterior? These points are interior because inside that ray, inside that two arms, inside the 2 points, but so many points are there. Like these points are called interior points. Okay, so name that I have given one of the name P, another one name is T. So this ray, two rays inside that, what are the points will come? That is called as interior points. Okay, students, and observe here. This point, here one 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 point. These are called as exterior of the angle. The points are exterior of the angles. That means the angle outside. So observe here, one point I named R, here one point I named S. So these points are called exterior points. Okay, the angles. Observe friends, here I written K. This is one point of A. This is Q. These points are called what is that? On it. The points are on the angle or on the arms. Okay, so see students, I have explained to you. First one, the region constituted by the points which lie within the arms. Within the arms, the points are called within the arms of an angle is called its interior. That means the points are which are within this arm inside those are. That is called as the interior points. The point P and T, specially I have written P and T, so these points are called interior points. Second point, the region constituted by the points which lie outside of the arms of an angle is called its exterior, outside. That means not interior. That means outside if it is there, that is called as exterior points. R and S is exterior of angle AOB. Angle AOB angle. Exterior point is R and exterior point is also S. The point Q and K are lie on the arms of the angle. I have just made here K and Q. These are the points on the arms. Okay, these about that all about interior and exterior of the angles. Okay, students, what are the points are exterior? What are the points are interior? We have to identify that like. Okay, so now students, we are going to discuss about that one geometry part of the terms, that is triangle. What do you mean by triangle? Tri means what the students? Tri means 3. Tri means Tri plus angle. Okay, triangle. Tri means three. Angle means already we have studied angle. These are the angle. That means that figure contains three angles. Okay, that figures contain three angles is called triangle. But one specific definition is that means a polygon having three sides. A polygon having three sides is called triangle. Do you have idea? A polygon having three sides is called triangle. Okay. So students, observe here. It is a polygon. Why you should say? Because it is a closed figure with the three line segments. It is a closed figure bounded with the three sides. So it is called as a polygon. So how many sides are there? Three sides. So remember students, the smallest, that means smallest number of sides of the polygon, of a polygon, which one that is? That is the triangle. Less than three sides, there is no polygons. So three sides is the least number of sides of the polygon. So it has three sides. Parts of that. What are the parts? It has three sides. A triangle has how many sides, friends? Three sides. What are they? AB, BC, and AC. AB is one side. This is one side. BC also one side. AC also one side. These are the three sides. It has three vertices. How many vertices? This is one vertices. This is one vertices. This is also one vertices. How many vertices? Three vertices. A, B, and C are vertices. You should write in capital letter. It has three angles. How many angles, friends? Three angles. This is one angle. This is one angle. This is one angle. How can you write? Like this. You should remember, students. Like this, like it, and inside you have write. This is represented as an angle. If you write only A, this is vertex. If you write AB, this is the side. Did you understand? This is for writing vertex. This is writing for angle. This is writing for line, segment, or the sides. Okay, students. I hope you have understand about the triangle, and we will study about that next. What is that interior and exterior of a triangle? Okay, interior and exterior of a triangle. Okay. Thank you all of you.